This 2023 Forest River Wildcat 290 RLW is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corpus Christi, Texas, 78409 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Corpus Christi. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features Sleeps 4, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.